Why choose driving lessons in Oxford with local driving academies? Is it because we're the biggest driving school locally? Or perhaps it's because we've been selected by Rated People as the top 3 driving school in Oxford for the 2nd year in a row. Or maybe you've seen our Google reviews. These are not our words. Our happy drivers show the commitment and passion we have about achieving your success. At the local driving academy, we put your needs at the top of our agenda. In fact, all our instructors meet regularly, discuss passes and fails, black spots and tricky routes. We're the only driving school with comprehensive roundabout videos to help you deal with and understand roundabouts better. Regulations and bylaws change, so we keep up to date so you get the effective, safe and top quality instruction you need to pass. We focus on low stress, efficient learning techniques and easy instruction in a dual control car. So why not book your driving lessons with us and know that you'll be getting the best professional driving instructors that Oxford has to offer. You won't pay the earth either. Whatever your driving lesson needs, we're here for you. Call us now or find us on Facebook LDA. We'll see you behind the wheel very soon.